There are a number of things you need to do if you or someone in your family has been injured in a car accident. First of all, get the best medical help you can find. Next, keep good records, including a diary of how you are feeling. It's often important also to take good photographs of any injuries, especially soon after the accident. Secure the evidence, including the vehicles involved in the accident. Take good photographs of the vehicles. Take good photographs of the scene. Ask for the police investigation reports and their photographs. Get the names and other contact information for all witnesses. Modern-day vehicles also have black boxes that record data at the time of the accident. Our engineer knows how to retrieve that data. For more than 30 years, the Gilbert Law Group has established a proven checklist of each step needed for a thorough investigation. We are experienced and know exactly what needs to be done to protect your rights to compensation. You need to take care of your family. We will do all of the rest, including getting answers to what happened and why.